How to solve Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your phone. Hello everyone, my name is Smile here to guide you through the way, and to know how you can do that, just follow the following steps. So someday you might be connected to your Wi-Fi, but your Wi-Fi might not be working. So in that case, what you can simply do is tap on your Wi-Fi option and just tap on any Wi-Fi that is working or not working. So my Wi-Fi is working with a good signal strength right now, but someday it might not work. Then how can you solve it? Is you can simply go on the Wi-Fi of certain Wi-Fi that is not working. So one problem that can happen is you have not signed into your Wi-Fi. Just like when I try to open my Wi-Fi, it shows me sign in and it takes me to a Google page like this. And here I should simply sign in by tapping on the password, where I can simply write admin. You can also do that and just log in and go down and then refresh it. So this is also one way. And after doing this, my Wi-Fi is working with good stability. But if this work also does not work on your Wi-Fi, then you can simply again long press on your Wi-Fi, go on the eye icon, and now simply go on the IP setting and tap it on static. And now you can simply change your IP address. Make sure that you change the last three alphabets to from 1 to 255. We can change it to any. I will change it to 124. And then after doing this, click on the right button and now go on proxy and tap on manual. After doing so, your account should work just like that. But since my Wi-Fi is already working, this is not needed from me. So if you do this, then your Wi-Fi might work. But if it still does not work, then there might be some hardware problem on the router or software problem on your device. So make sure you check it. I hope this helps you. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel. For more tips and suggestions, do comment on the comment section below. Thank you.